Hey guys, this video is for you if you are a 4th sem VTU student writing M4 internal exam or VTU Semester exams. And this video is from the video series that we are doing on 18 scheme M4 subject. And this includes the solutions to the most asked or the most repeated questions in the VTU Semester exam. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos and share this video with your other friends. Also watch this video till the end to know about our M4 video scanner. Okay, so the next question is the probability that a pen manufactured is defective is 1 out of 10. Okay, so there is a 0.1 probability that a pen manufactured is defective. If 12 such pens are manufactured, what is the probability that exactly 2 are defective, at least 2 are defective, and none of them are defective? Okay, so it is not mentioned which kind of probability distribution we have to use for this experiment. Okay, so let's start from now our procedure. Our process is look at the questions and observe what is focused on. Okay, see, we need to find the probability that 2 pens are defective, more than 2 pens are defective, at least 2 pens are defective, none of them. So we are focused on how number of pens that are defective, okay, or number of defective pens. Okay, so let me assign a random variable x, or x is a random variable. This represents a number of defective pens. Okay, so exactly 2 are defective means x equal to 2, at least 2 are defective means x greater than 2. So like that, none of them are defective means x is equal to 0. Okay, so x is a random variable and x is a whole number here, so we don't have 2.5 pens that are defective. We only have 0 pens, 1 pens, 2 pens, like that till 12. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all the random variables are whole numbers. Okay, so that's why I can say the random variable x is a discrete random variable. Okay, so x does not take decimal values, so x only takes whole number values. Okay, so if it is a discrete random variable, there are only 2 possible probability distributions. Okay, in our syllabus. Okay, so what are those 2 probability distributions? It is either binomial or Poisson's distribution. So there are only out of these 2 discrete probability distributions, we have to choose one. Okay, so what else information is given? So we know probability that a pen manufactured is defective is 110. Okay, so probability of defective pen, okay, is p is equal to 0.1. 1 by 10 is 0.10. In the question, it is asked that we need to find defective probability of how many pens are defective. So I will take defective success. So probability of success is 0.1. So and then probability of not defective or probability of failure is q. Q is 1 minus p, or 1 minus 0.1, or q is 0.9. And how many pens are manufactured? Okay, so number of pens manufactured is n equal to 12. So looking at p, q and n, okay, we can say p is sufficiently large, or not so small, like 0.01 or something in two decimal places, in the 2 decimal places or something like that. And n is also pretty small, like it's out of 12 pens, we need to calculate the probability that exactly 2 are defective, something like that. Okay, so it is a binomial distribution, and it's not Poisson, because Poisson we need to either have very less probability like 0.001 or very large trials, number of pens, okay, like out of 2000 pens or something like that. Okay, so we will choose binomial. So probability mass function, okay, or probability function of random variable x in binomial distribution is what? So after using this information, we need to find probability of these things, right? So probability is given by this formula in binomial case. Binomial case, it is ncx p power x q power n minus x, right? This is the probability formula for binomial. Okay, so if we substitute p, q and n, our probability function will be something like this. N is 12, right? So 12 cx, p is 0.1 power x, and q is 0.9 power 12 minus x. N minus x is 12 minus x. So we need to use this probability function and get ex from what is asked here and find the probability. Okay, so let's use this to find the probability of that exactly 2 pen are defective out of 12. Okay, so we need to find probability of exactly 2 are defective. X is number of defective pens, exactly 2 are defective means you need to find probability that x equal to 2. So in this probability function we substitute x equal to 2. So that is 12c2 0.1 power 2, 0.9 power 12 minus 2. Okay, so that will be 12c2. How do you evaluate NCR things or combination things? Well, we know the formula is NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, or we can use this formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Okay, so 12c2 is evaluated as 12 into 11 by 2 into 1, 0.1 square is 0.01, and 0.9 power 12 minus 2. What is 0.9 power 10? Use your calculator. 0.9 power 10 is 0.35. Okay, so if you multiply everything here, we get the answer as 0.231. Probability that out of 12 pens manufactured, exactly 2 are defective is 0.231. There is 23% chance that exactly 2 pens are defective in 12 pens. Okay, so that is how you find the probability. First you need to find the which distribution it is, and then find the probability function, and in this probability function substitute x values what you want. Okay, so let's see next sub question. Okay, so the next question is probability that at least 2 are defective. Okay, so what do you mean by at least 2? At least 2 means there can be 2 defective pens, 3 defective pens, 4 defective pens, 5 defective pens, like that, since till 12. Okay, so I can write probability that x is greater than and equal to 2. At least 2 are defective means x equal to 2 and all the above values of x till 12, because that's the n here. Okay, so probability of x greater than 2 is probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus 12. So you cannot find each of them here. I mean, like, you can find it will be very long, but what I can do is I know sum of all the probabilities 1, right? So probability of x equal to 0 to probability of x equal to 12, if you add all those things, you will get 1. This is probability of x equal to 2 to probability of x equal to 12. So if I subtract 1 minus probability of x less than 2, okay, so x greater than equal to 2 means 2 to 12, x less than 2 means 0 to 2, not including 2. Here it is including 2, so it is 0 and 1. So this is nothing but 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Okay, so instead of finding all those things, I'll just find 0 and 1 and subtract them from 1. Okay, so what is probability of x equal to 0? Probability of x equal to 0 is, substitute 0 in place of here, x here. So 12c0, 0.1 power 0, 0.9 power 12 minus 0. This is nothing but 12c0 is 1. 0.1 power 0 is 1. 0.9 power 12. What is 0.9 power 12? It is 0.28. So this probability of x equal to 0 is 0.28. Similarly, probability of x equal to 1. Probability of x equal to 1 is, sorry, my bad. Substitute 1 in place of x here. So 12c1, 0.1 power 1, 0.9 power 12 minus 1. It is equal to 12c1 is 12. 0.1 power is 1, 0.9 power 12 minus 1 is 11. So 0.9 power 11 is 0.31. So you use your calculator here. Do not, you cannot calculate them, in the mind or something. So 12 times 0.1 times 0.31 is 0.372. So probability that x equal to 1 is 0.372. Probability that x equal to 0 is 0.28. Substitute them here. What you will get? 1 minus Product of x equal to 0 is 0.28 plus product of x equal to 1 is 0.372. Okay, I'll continue this here. Is equal to 1 minus 0.28 plus 0.372. What is that? It is 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0.652. What is probability that x greater than or equal to 2, or probability that at least 2 are defective is 1 minus 0.652, which is nothing but 0.348. Right? There is 34 or approximately 39% chance that at least 2 are defective. Okay. Finally, probability that none of them are defective. So if none of them are defective, then x is equal to 0. Probability that x equal to 0 is, we already found out, 0.28. So there is 28% chance that none of the pens out of 12 pens manufactured are defective. Okay. This is a very simple question. The difficulty or the application of knowledge is finding out this problem is binomial problem. Okay, how do you do that? First, you assign the random variable by observing the question, and random variable is either discrete or continuous. If it is discrete, the distribution is either binomial or Poisson, and you observe p, q, and n, the given data. Okay, if n is not so large and p is not so small, then it is binomial. Okay, so binomial probability function is ncx p power x q power n minus x. We know p, q, and n. Substitute them. For each case of x asked in question, find the probability. That's it. Okay. Score 6 marks, 6 to 7 marks definitely in this question in exam. Okay. Let's see another. Let's see new question. The surest way to improve your CGPA is to study the previous year question papers, and this works for all branches, any subjects in VTU. For M4 subject, we have this amazing new product that you simply must have, and this is VTU Exam Video Scanner for M4. So this book includes all the previous question papers, model papers on M4, and it also includes solutions to all the questions in the question papers and model papers. Each solution will have a QR code which will open a video where that solution is explained step by step. Okay. Find the link to buy this book in the description and get your own M4 video scanner today.